It is better to burn a candle than to curse the darkness. Hello and welcome to Aryabhata Ashram. Welcome all in this daily answer writing practice session for mathematics optional. Here's the question for you. If u is equal to x square plus y square, v is equal to x square minus y square, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, find dou uv by dou r theta. Okay, this is asked in Civil Services Examination 2021. And this question pertains to the topic called Jacobian, and it is an interplay of two things. One is variable x and y, another is r theta. So, one can use chain rule or one can use the definition of Jacobian. So, let us proceed to solve this question. So, I can write del of uv upon del of r theta is equal to del u by del r, del u by del theta, and del u by del v by del r, del v by del theta. Now, I do not have a direct linkage between u and r, so I need a bridge. So, the bridge I can consolidate. I can write u is equal to x square plus y square, which is equal to r square, and v can be written as x square minus r square. So, r square is common, so I can write this as cos 2 theta. Now, if I compute this del u by del v by del r theta, so del u by del r would be 2r, del v del u by del theta would be 0. Now, del v by del r would be 2r cos 2 theta, and del v by del theta is equal to minus 2r square sin 2 theta. So, this answer that we can have is minus 4r cube sin 2 theta, minus 4r cube sin 2 theta. So, this is basically finding the relation between x and y with respect to r theta. One can do that. Now, this question can also be done by alternatively, and that is the point I am trying to drive home, because sometimes you need to verify your answer in the examination hall as well, and when you are calm and composed and when you are as cool as cucumber, you will be able to see through and you will be very well assured that even the question is simple, your answer is verified, and that's called answer verification tool for all easy to medium to difficult level questions. So, let us try to do this in a better fashion. So, I can also write del u by del v upon del r by del theta is equal to del u by del uv upon del xy into del xy upon del r theta, right. So, you can use this technique also and find out the solution. So, this is nothing but del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del x, del v by del y, and this can be written as del u by del x by del r and del x by del theta, del y by del r, del y by del theta, and you can substitute these values. You have this x square and y square. So, this you can write as 2x 2y, and what is this? X square minus y square. So, you can write this as 2x minus 2y, and how do you write del x by del r? So, del x by del r you can write, what is the relation? X is equal to r, you know this, that x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So, del x by del r would be what? Cos theta, and what is del x by del theta? Minus r sin theta. What is del y by del r? Del y by del r is nothing but sine theta. And what is del y by del theta? R cos theta. Okay, so you can write this as what? This is your 4xy minus 4xy and minus 4xy. So this is 2 times, and whatever this value, this is your r cos square theta plus r sin square theta. So this is r. So this is ultimately minus 8 r. This can be written r cos theta, r sin theta. So this gives me effectively minus 8, for that matter minus 4 r cube 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is nothing but minus 4 r cube sin 2 theta. So I am getting perhaps the same answer in both the cases. So you may take time, a great deal of time in examination hall. So you always have a choice to make an exam if you know the shortcuts, if you know how you have to play with these things, with the properties. So idea is that you should know both the long cuts as well as shortcuts, and accordingly you have to play the game, and time constraint is paramount in the examination. You have to win by being elegant in mathematics, by coming up with some symmetry, by coming up with some pattern, and my thesis is answer lies in the question. So this was basically checking your basic level. So what I am emphasizing is that the one single theme, that is, no matter what method you apply, you must approach an answer which is absolute and perfect and unique if the answer demands so. So this is the point that is being driven over here. In online segments and YouTube channels and Instagram, everywhere, we are putting up a daily video for you so that you can practice and be in touch with us. But those of you who are really wanting a maths in offline mode, we are parallelly running an offline practice discussion session every day between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. at our office, that is 47 ground floor near Batra Medical, Old Rajendra Nagar, New Delhi. It will supplement your preparation. It will really put you in tandem so that you are always reinvigorated to practice your questions, and these pertinent 5 questions a day will really transform and will making you successful in the examination. This is what I inherently believe. 5 questions a day in offline. This is a free initiative. You can walk into our classroom and practice these. You can do it at 6 to 7. Again, I am emphasizing that this will really help you in the long run, because this examination is marathon. So 5 questions a day, it amounts to 150 questions in a month, and that is a monstrous number for you to prepare. So those of you who want, don't feel shy, come and visit our center. We will be providing you those 5 questions, and you will be able to do it in the class. You will be feeling the heat of the moment, and there will be great deal of learning for you as well. And those of you who cannot afford to come to New Delhi or nearby Old Rajendra Nagar, due to the problem that we have of technical problems, that we will be only able to post 1 question per day, and that is what we are able to do at this moment. It is better to burn a candle than to curse the darkness. So 1 question a day for you in online classes, but 5 for you in offline center. So don't feel shy, you can come and join us. And if you want for the online, you can visit our aryabhataashram.com. Secondly, those if you want offline, you can come to our center. Again, I reiterate that it's our address is 47 ground floor near Batra Medical, and it is in Old Rajendra Nagar, centrally situated, and it is in New Delhi. And those of you who want to reach out to us, you can contact us on the given numbers, and you can also email us, and you can connect with us to transform and be a part of your great journey, that is of civil services journey. Thank you.